So guys, here's the thing with flashlights. Now, most of them do one job and that's about it. You either get something small and portable, or you get something bright, or something that you can actually use hands-free, but very rarely do you get all three in one. So today we are taking a look at the Wurkkos HD05. And this is one of those lights that's trying to do, well, a bit of everything. Work light, torch, and even something you can just clip somewhere and leave running. So if you're looking for something a bit more versatile than a standard flashlight, well, stick around because I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the HD05 from Wurkkos, and I have to say, it's a pretty cool bit of kit. It's a device, and note how I didn't say torch, because you know what? It's actually more than that. With all of the different modes, which we'll go into later, this should definitely earn its place in your bag, car, or even in your pocket. Now guys, before we get into it, Wurkkos did send me this to take a look at and to give you my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I do, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get it out of the box and see what we have. So guys, inside the box you get some paperwork. You also get a little lanyard strap so you can attach it to the torch, flashlight, or light device, whichever we want to call it. And you get a USB-C to USB-C charge cable. And then you get the main event itself, the light. Now pick this bad boy up, and I've got to say immediately, it's got some weight. I mean, it's not so heavy that you kind of need to be Arnold Schwarzenegger to handle it, but a confidence-inspiring sense that this will survive whatever you throw at it. Now guys, you've got the main controls at the top. You've got the main lens, and then you've got the two other lenses on the front. You've got a battery cover on the back, which incidentally doubles as a magnetic base and has a tripod screw on it, which is pretty neat. And you've got a clip on the side. So you know what? You can attach it to a belt, clothing, a bag, or whatever really. So guys, yes, the HD05 from Wurkkos, and I've got to say, it's a seriously capable bit of kit. You're getting up to 3,100 lumens out of this, which is a beam that can reach up to around 335 meters. I mean, I've got this other Wurkkos light, which has been in my bag and been with me for a long time. And this pales into insignificance when you shine this out and you shine this out. There's no contest. So you know what? It's not just bright, it's also got proper distance as well. So whether you're out at night working on something or just need to see clearly in the dark, this thing has got more than enough power behind it. But what makes it interesting is it's not just a standard torch, right? You've got the main spotlight. You've also got a red light for night vision, and that's in two forms of brightness. You've also got a UV light, which, you know what, that's pretty handy for, like, you know, charging up your looms on your watch or something like that, or maybe checking some fake money, but no one really uses any money anymore, right? Well, if they do, you can check it. Then guys, you've got this side light that comes out. This thing rotates out like that. Look at that. It just rotates out like that, and you've got brightness. I'll just turn that down. Oh, and you can rotate it. So that's pretty cool, right? And you can also change the color temperature from a warmer tone to a cooler white, depending on what you're doing. So you know what? Now this becomes like a work light, right? So it's not just a torch that's got this big beam that's, you know, throwing out for what, miles and miles or whatever, right? You've got this focused work light that's going to brighten stuff up and attach it to a tripod. And you know what? this is a seriously versatile bit of kit. Also guys, battery life is solid as well, and you've got a high capacity rechargeable battery inside, and you know what, depending how you're using it, this thing could last for a long time. There's also fast charging built in and a simple battery indicator, so you're not caught out when you need it. And guys, in terms of usability, they've clearly thought about how you'd actually use this day to day. Like I said, you've got the magnetic base, so you can stick it to metal surfaces. You've got the tripod mount, so if you want to set it up properly, you can. If you want to screw it into a tripod, whatever. You've got the clip, the lanyard option as well. And you know what? You can actually just pop it in your pocket if you want. So, like I said, whether it's in your bag, clipped to you, or mounted somewhere, it just works. And it's built to handle a bit of punishment too. It's water resistant, drop resistant, and the brightness is fully adjustable, so you're not stuck with fixed levels. You can dial it in exactly the way that you want it. So overall, like I said, it's not just a torch, it's more of a flexible utility light that can cover a lot of different situations without you needing to carry multiple bits of kit. So guys, there you have it, the Wurkkos HD05. This is one of those lights that just does a bit of everything. It's not trying to be the most powerful flashlight out there, but you know what? It is pretty powerful, but it's versatile, and that's really the point. Between the side light and the magnetic base and the different modes, it's something you can use in a lot of different situations without needing multiple pieces of kit. If you're after something simple that you can just grab and use for pretty much anything, I mean, I take it shooting, I've been out, in the dark with it, I've been walking with it, you know what? This thing does it all. Now, I haven't actually set it up as a work light, but you know what? It's there if you want it, and it's definitely worth considering if you're looking for a multi-purpose, very bright and useful tool. And guys, at the time of this video going live, okay, stand by, because this thing is £99.99, okay? That's a lot of money, but you are getting a lot of device here. And you know what? I don't think you're going to need much more than this for most of what you probably need to do. I certainly don't. And guys, yes, £99.99, but right now on Amazon, you can get a voucher knocking it down to £74.99. I'll also leave any further links or discounts in the description. And guys, if you have any comments, then please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Wurkkos for sending me this cool HD05 multi-light device. I don't know, I'm just making up terms for it, but I'm actually really impressed with it. But anyway, check it out. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.